So here is the 105 watt USB-C MacBook Pro charger. Now here's the interesting thing. When we open this up, it comes to a nylon C-to-C cord, one with a L end. In this box here, with prongs that come out. It's very short. USB-C. Big box. Big eye. Right there. And then we've got the user's manual. Yeah, so there it is in English. So the thing is, I got this because of the wattage. I think that you could use this for any laptop that requires a C cord. I don't think it has to be just for Apple products, even though that's how it was advertised. I think you could do other things. So what I'm actually going to do is I have a tablet that is a Samsung. I'm going to charge it with this and see what happens. Because I have a feeling that this is quite universal and might not just be for laptops, especially Apple products. I think it can go into Samsung products and HP products and everything else. So I'm going to be testing it for that. But this is the unboxing for it, just so you know what it looks like. And this is a kind of stiff but nylon-based cord. It is white, so this thing's going to get filthy if you're touching it. And there you go. I'll let you know if the cord works for other things.